Hello friends, today we are discussing very important condition now to show that three vectors are coplanar. So which is also called as condition for coplanarity of three vectors. In linear combination we have proved some theorem and our one of the theorem says that A bar, B bar, C bar are coplanar vectors. At that time one vector can be expressed by linear combination of other two vectors. In that case if you remember that statement of the theorem is A bar and B bar are non-collinear vectors. Then there exists one vector R bar in the same plane which is expressed by linear combination of A bar and B bar. Means if one vector will be expressed by linear combination of other two vectors, at that time we can say that three vectors are coplanar. Means if these conditions are satisfying, at that time we can say that vectors are coplanar, or if vectors are coplanar, at that time these conditions can be satisfied. Means how many vectors are given? Three vectors. Which three vector? A bar, B bar, C bar. At that time either A bar is expressed by linear combination of B bar and C bar, or B bar is expressed by linear combination of A bar and C bar, or C bar can be expressed by linear combination of A bar and B bar. If any one of these three conditions is satisfying, we can say that these three vectors are coplanar. Now again, in one theorem we have proved that if three vectors are coplanar, then there exists scalars x, y, z such that the value of this linear combination will be equals to what? 0. Or in other word, in the second part of the theorem we have proved that if the linear combination of three vector is 0, at that time we can say that three vectors are coplanar. Now the very important condition, and which is the very easy condition to show that vectors are coplanar, we are going to study in scalar triple product, that if A bar, B bar, C bar are three coplanar vector, at that time value of scalar triple product can be denoted by this notation also, and this notation can be read as box product of A bar, B bar, C bar. Means if box product of three vector is 0, at that time we can say that three vectors are coplanar, or if three vectors are coplanar, at that time we can say that their box product will be equals to 0. Sometimes question may be asked to show that 4 points are coplanar. 4 points are what? Coplanar. At that time, if 4 points are given to us A, B, C, D, no three of which are collinear, with position vector A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Means A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar are the position vector of these 4 points. And if this, to show that these vectors are coplanar, then there exists scalar x, y, z, w such that the value of this linear combination is 0. Which linear combination? xa bar plus yb bar plus zc bar plus wd bar is equal to 0, and the addition of the scalar is also equals to 0. If vectors are coplanar, at that time this condition is satisfying, or if this condition is satisfying by position vector and the scalar, at that time we can say that vectors are coplanar. And this is the very important condition. So again, to show that 4 points are coplanar, if we are able to prove that AB bar is expressed by scalar multiple of what? Linear combination of what? AC bar and AD bar. Which three vectors appears in this expression? One is AB bar, another one is AC bar, and third vector is AD bar. Already we have seen that if one vector is expressed by linear combination of other two vector, at that time three vector will become what? Coplanar. Here also, if AB bar is expressed by linear combination of AC bar and AD bar, at that time we can say that this AB bar, AC bar and AD bar are coplanar vector. Coplanar vector means these three vector lie in the same plane. If the vector lie in the same plane, means indirectly we can say that this point ABCD also lie in the same plane, and if point lie in the same plane, at that time we can say that points are what? Coplanar. But priority is always given to apply this last condition. That last condition is what? Box product. Box product means what? Scalar triple product. Value of scalar triple product can be easily find out using determinant. That part we will see in scalar triple product. If the value of scalar triple product of three vector is 0, at that time we can say that these three vectors are what? AB bar, AC bar, AD bar are what? Coplanar vector. Or if vectors are coplanar, at that time their box product will be equals to 0. So how, if the value of position vectors A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar of these 4 points are given to us, then we are forming three vectors using these 4 points, which vector AB bar, AC bar, AD bar, and we have to check that this vector satisfies which condition. If these conditions are satisfying, we can say that vectors are coplanar, and vectors are coplanar means indirectly points are also coplanar. Already we have seen the value of AB bar can be find out as what? B bar minus A bar. AC bar can be find out as C bar minus A bar. In the same way, AD bar can be find out as what? D bar minus A bar. Means value of three vectors can be find out if the values of their position vectors are given to us. And then using this condition, we are able to show that vectors are coplanar. And if vectors are coplanar, means these 4 points are also what? Coplanar. These conditions we have to apply while solving the examples, which are the very important condition to show that vectors are coplanar.